Different. I got a different perspective on leadership. When you look at leadership, you're talking about what? Building a company so it will what? Thrive. That's an obvious one. But we always forget the other side of the equation, sales. Now, I have a confession to make. I have a bias. I like to look at things from a sales perspective because, believe it or not, we're always selling. Listen carefully to what I just said. You're always selling. Every time you're selling, and I'll prove it to you right away. Married women, raise your hand. Just hold them up. Now, remember when your husband approached you for the first time? Well, what was he doing? Selling. He said, here are my features. Here are the benefits you can derive. You need to marry me. He was selling. Okay, so we're always involved in selling, right? So in leadership, you're always selling. You're not selling a product. You're not selling a service. But you're always selling an idea, a vision, or a goal. Would you agree with me? Just say yes. You're always selling something. Now, I know when you hear that, you say, Victor, are you saying we're salespeople? I'm saying yes, and you're saying, Victor, but I don't want to be in sales. But you're in sales, and you're in denial, and I'm going to help you get past that, because that's why I'm here. Now, read that quote by Warren Bennis, one of my favorite authors. The only power a leader has is what? Persuasion and inspiration. Would you agree with that? Your job is to persuade people to do what you want them to do because you have a vision. But you also have to what? Inspire them. And that's your job. Because look, let's take a step back and look at selling. You as a leader have an idea. It's a great idea. You want to implement this idea. So the first sale that you make is what? To yourself. You sell in. Then you got this idea, then you're going to go to what? To your management. Now you got to sell it what? Up. They agree to do it. Now you got to do what? Sell it down to your organization. Say, believe it. Then you got to what? Sell it out into the market. So folks, please, you're in sales. And if you need to get over the hump, I brought in an expert. Okay? Every leader is a closet salesperson. And today, I'm going to help you come out of the closet. Because that's why I'm here. All right?